crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John and it's here. So if you follow the channel, you know this is a little bit different from what I normally do, but you also know if you follow the channel that I have a lot of interest and kind of stick my hands in a lot of different things. With that said, it is that time of year that Hallmark steps up and takes starts the countdown to Christmas. So yeah, it's still kind of early April, but it takes a while for us to be able to get ready when you're kind of crazy about Christmas and Christmas decorations and that. So I have not opened my box. I thought it would be fun to do that. If you're new to the channel, thanks for being here. Thanks for dropping in. This is kind of the way things go for me, and you just never know what I'm going to be talking about or what's happening. But what is happening is I have received my Keepsake Ornament Club KOC 2025 box. And that's exciting for us that are just too crazy for Christmas. I mean, it's been 4 months. I mean, come on, guys. And so this is our setup for 2025 for Christmas and what will be Christmas. So what that means, if you're unfamiliar with the KOC Club, is you can join for $59.99, I think. Used to be like $49.95 or $39, but it keeps going up. You get some gifts. You actually get several $5 gift cards and different things each year. So I think we end up getting about $20 worth of gift cards. But the most important thing that happens in here, especially knowing like, Sears has gone away and all that, is we get our dream book. So this is the KOC membership book. This is the introduction, and it says what makes Christmas magic. And it is sugar and spice, ribbons and bows, warm wishes and thankful hearts. So many ingredients make the holiday season sparkle, but maybe the most important one of all is you. So anyways, just a kickoff to the KOC Club for 2025. And when you open the box, you find all kinds of little goodies in here. But the most important thing that everyone is fighting and clamoring for is this dream book. So the dream book doesn't become available in stores until like the 15th or 20th. And this is when they do. So this is the ornaments that are coming out for 2025. Big ornament premiere obviously is in July. Another set comes out in October, and then a few stragglers come out in December. But just to kind of give you an idea, this is what is in the book. And so we start putting together our wish list, figure out how much Hallmark is going to charge us this year for ornaments, and then we just start going through. So as an example, I typically send my daughter and son those ornaments. And so that's what the mom, son, daughter, dad ornaments look like for 2025 on down. These are the grandkids ornaments. So little cupcakes in that this year. So those will go to my the two of the grandchildren. So just different things that or actually, I'm sorry. Those are great-grandchild ornaments. The grandchild ornaments this year, which is kind of different, is just a seal with 2025 package. So that's different. But typically I buy the granddaughter, grandson ornaments, usually buy the son-daughter ornaments for the two kids. And my grandson typically gets Spider-Man, and my granddaughter always faithfully gets a blah, blah, blah. She faithfully gets Barbie. So she always gets the new Barbie ornament. So this will give me something to do. I'm traveling today to California for a conference that I have to go to for work. So I will definitely be taking this on the plane and going through my dream book. So that's one thing that's in there, and I get to order in the next week or so. I'll put my order in for what what I want for next year. They did send me a $5 voucher. I've got to spend $10 to use the $5. This year is different. It's a Keepsake Ornament Club recipes, Bake It Merry and Bright. So they've given us recipes in the past, but they've never given them to us in this form. And so there's several in here. So some of the stars are maybe some of the ornament creators, it looks like, because it's not, yeah, it's not any of the stars. So these must be the ornament creators. Have put in like their favorite recipes. Ooh, molasses sugar cookies. And then there's room for us to put our own recipes in. So a nice gift. Additionally, we get some cool things. One is, this is called Decked Out Deer. And so it is an exclusive KOC ornament. The only way you can get this ornament is to be a member of the KOC club or wait for someone to push it over on eBay trying to make a profit off of these. But you can't buy these in the store or online without being a club member. The next one is Winter Garden Party, and that is kind of a cool ornament. So again, these are just part of the membership. So they're part of that $50 you spend as a member. And every year it's a little different. This is Santa's favorite treats. So that's kind of cool. I do like that Santa. That's my Santa from when I was a child. And then they always give us a miniature. And this year the miniature is called Festive Pup. So look how cute that ornament is. So again, kind of cool. I believe that is it. In the past, they've given us like ornament stands and different things. I think people complained that we were getting too much of that and less ornaments. So it looks like KOC made up for it this year, and we actually got 3 full-size ornaments in 1 miniature. So overall, I am extremely happy with it. I love recipes. I love making cookies for Christmas. I always do a big cookie exchange. So something different, something fun and unique. And again, I am very, very excited to get my Dream Book. Ornament premiere is July 12th, is when everybody goes nuts and they start hitting the stores. And if you go in Hallmark that weekend, you'll see bags and bags and bags sitting all over Hallmark of all the pre-orders. I plan to cut back. I will say I have spent as much as $1,000 in ornaments. Last year, I think I spent like $200. So I really have started cutting back just because I realized, you know, I only have so much space, guys. I already put up 13, 14 Christmas trees. I mean, so again, and you only have so much room for space. But look how adorable that reindeer and candy cane is. And that one is called Here, H-E-A-R, Dancers. And it's a North Pole dancer, right? Oh my gosh. All right. Guys, I appreciate you dropping in. If you are a frequent subscriber, thanks for being here. Thanks for letting me share a little bit about something different outside my quilting life and some of the crafts I do. If you're new in here, kind of liked what I did today, feel free to go through the channel and find some of the other videos. Hit that subscribe button. It means a lot to me personally. Just amazed how great my channel has done and grown. And I appreciate each and every one of you spending a little time with me. So, crafters, as always, until next time, happy crafting.